In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram username. For some reason, you want to change your Instagram username. Maybe you are tired of the existing username, or you want to change your brand or something different. I'm going to show you quick steps on how to get it done. Make sure to stay to the end of this video to see the entire steps. On your Instagram app, navigate to the bottom right corner and click on your profile icon. As you can see on the top left corner, you see my existing username, which is TechHow-to. Maybe for instance, if you want to change this name to a different name, I have the flexibility of doing it by navigating to the edit profile here and click it. Then I have to proceed to click on the username. The exciting news is you'll be able to change your username back to your previous username, which is tech_2, for another 14 days. So in my case, if I want to change, I'll just proceed to backspace all this, then enter the name that I want. So let's say for instance, Mubarick MD. If this username is available, once I click on this confirm icon, the name will go through. In my case, I'm not ready to change to any name. I want to proceed to maintain TechHow-to. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.